Hi guys, good morning. Today is June 17, it's a Monday, and first day namin sa review center today. It's 6 a.m. in the morning and I decided to work out muna. By the way, I'm here sa rooftop ng tinitirhan namin. And look at this view. Sheesh! So ayun, workout muna tayo bago mag-aral para fresh ang ating brain.
Try to tell you how I feel inside. You make my bones shake and my heart runs wild just to feel like love is real.
Hey, Jollibee for dinner! Okay.
The old famous saying, always been told about it, though it doesn't make any sense. You're an Iron Man and they're immune to pain. Am I some kind of cyborg? No one changes human nature. I gotta be who I wanna be, so please just let me be. When it comes to love, let's face it, no, we ain't not experts on it sometimes. Our pride speaks louder, yeah. But we also have the moments when we're broken hearted, that's right. We made it tough, but yes, the man cried I love you.
Hi guys! So yun, hinaan ko lang ng konti yung boses ko kasi natutulog yung kasama ko. Right now, I'm just reviewing. I'm reading this book, 1001 Solved Problems in Engineering Mathematics 3rd edition. Grabe guys, itong book na to, very recommended. Also, yung review center na pinag-attendan namin is, ito rin yung reference nila sa anything math related. So, ayun. And also, ginagamit ko na yung bago kong calculator. This one is the Olympia ES570 ES Plus. And, pasok siya sa list ng PRC. Kasi nagbago na naman sila ng list na wala yung bibilin dapat namin na Casio. Ito yung luma kong calculator. And hindi na siya pwede sa boards. Usually kasi pwede na sa boards ngayon yung mga transparent calculators. Kasi nga, medyo nagiging strict na sila dahil sa mga past na nag-cheat. So, ayun. Medyo nangangapa pa ako dito sa calculator na to. Pero, kayang-kaya naman. So, I'll just review and see you guys later or tomorrow. Hi guys, let's cook. Our menu for today, lumpia. So we'll be right back kasi medyo matigas pa siya. So yeah. Okay. Let's plug in the induction cooker. Then let's get the oil. Cooking show pala. Oh! Tumalsik sa ilong ko.
The old famous saying,
the current situation of what I'm cooking.
You're an Iron Man and they're immune to pain. Am I some kind of cyborg? No one changes human
update. Hey.
Cause baby, love